What inspired me to do this role of Arjun in Chitrangada was to work with Madhumita ji. I have known her for so many years, I've attended so many of her events, and her choreography is absolutely brilliant. To work with a choreographer, director who is so visionary in terms of what's to be brought forward, I think it's a compliment for any actor or dancer. So I thought it was a great opportunity for me. But yes, to play Arjun's character is difficult because so many people, whether it's television or films, people have played this character. So to me, I believe this character of Arjun in Chitrangada is a supporting character because the story is about the woman, the story is about Chitrangada, and Arjun is only a part of it, which makes who makes her realize who her real self is. I think that little seed is important for any flower to blossom, and I think I am that seed, and the flower work comes from all the women in play.
Start.
What inspired me to play this character of Kurupa, who is a part of Chitrangada, which Chitrangada herself doesn't like, is the fact that A, this was written by Guru Rabindranath Tagore, and B, that it was like the dream of my dance teacher and the choreographer and the producer and the director of this play since a very long time. And the character is very difficult to catch, like uska sur pakadna, because you can see a warrior and a lover together is very difficult. You can see a warrior or a lover, but how can a warrior love is something that really inspired me to find as a performer itself. And while Sandeep is saying this thing about the character and like the seed and the flower thing, I feel what makes the story more beautiful is the love story between Arjun and Chitrangada, where they are both equals. Like we usually see there's always an upper hand in relationships, but here both Arjun and Chitrangada want a relationship of equality, because in that time maybe it was not always available. So that's extremely inspiring, and that's what made me fall in love with the character.
The most amazing part of Chitrangada, I feel, for me, is its choreography. Every song, every dance sequence is unique in its own way, with great props, and most importantly, the formations that they have come out with. It's absolutely brilliant. And Tony sir has put up these fabulous LED screens which have got great backdrops that are coming. It actually looks like the entire world of Chitrangada is coming alive in front of you. And that is what is absolutely inspirational to watch and see. It's a story which will tell you that you need to be comfortable in who you are. Be proud of who you are. Be happy in who you are. Be confident who you are. It doesn't matter how you look, how you behave. What's important finally is आपका दिल जो है वो खूबसूरत होना चाहिए, and that's what is most important in life. आप कितना भी पढ़ लें, कितने भी आप सशक्त हो जाएं, जिसे कहते हैं, पर लेकिन अगर आपका दिल खूबसूरत नहीं होगा तो आप कभी भी आप किसी को नहीं पा पाएंगे. So Chitrangada could find Arjun in life only because she was beautiful inside out, and that is what is the story of this wonderful play. And I hope you all can come and watch it and enjoy it. And most importantly, I think it's made with passion.
Yes, a lot of passion.
Oh my God, 2015 में Madhumita ji met me and she said that I wanted to play Arjun. देखिए almost 9 साल होने आए हैं, and that passion, the drive that they have has brought this play forward. कहते हैं ना, एक ही साधे सब सदे, सब साधे सदी जाए. अगर आप एक चीज़ को passionately follow करते हैं तो सब कुछ अपने आप दरवाजे खुलते रहते हैं. और यही हुआ इस प्ले के थ्रू. शुरुआत हुई थी एक वर्ड से कि आई वांट टू मेक चित्रांगदा, और वहाँ से लेकर के आज मंच पे आ गया है. सो जस्ट सी, पैशन मेक्स थिंग्स वर्क.
Yeah, 100%. And I feel like for me, one more thing that really stands out is, like, I love classical music and classical dance, but you don't have the appetite to enjoy it with your friends because it's too fancy या थोड़ा out of reality लगता है. But if you watch the play Chitrangada, you will develop the taste to appreciate classical music and classical dance, because each song is actually a Bengali slow Rabindra Shongit which has been completely changed and rearranged and remixed to suit the classical tune, and it's never been attempted like that before. There was a certain set that used to only follow these songs, but whether the whole interest of adding Kathak to it, the bowl angle to it, Thumri to it, the whole warriorhood and Shikar, and to see Chitrangada like that, it's actually like a blockbuster film when you watch it. It has action, it has fight sequences, it has drama, and it's something that you can sit with your whole family and watch, like we used to watch Mahabharat before when we were probably kids. So I think it's a really nice, intimate family and friends experience to just know stories that probably our history and mythology has somewhere erased, and to just bring them back to life.
Yeah, actually, what she said is absolutely right. Rabindra Sangeet and Rabindranath Tagore himself is a legend of our country. Like we have Mahatma Gandhi, we have Rabindranath Tagore. So they are two important people in terms of our culture, in terms of he especially, Rabindranath Tagore especially, is a pillar of culture in our country. और उनके इतने लिखे हुए नाटक हैं, कविताएं हैं, गाने हैं, और वो क्योंकि वो बंगाली में लिखे हुए हैं, काफ़ी लोग उनको नहीं सुन पाते हैं, क्योंकि नहीं समझ पाते हैं, पर लेकिन ये नाटक के ज़रिए हम उनके सारे काम को बाहर लाना चाहते हैं. एंड आई थिंक इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि हमारे देश के हर लोगों को उनका काम जो है वो हिंदी में समझ में आए, ताकि उनकी हर एक वर्ड का क्या क्या मीनिंग है वो बाहर निकल के आए. एंड दैट इज हैपनिंग इन दिस चित्रांगदा, एंड वी आर सो हैप्पी टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ इट.